Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the Mimoke 6 bicycle wall brackets. This is a wall shaft system with adjustable hooks for safe bicycle storage. This organized solution for home and your garage, of course. You can see it's really cool because it stays in place and let your bikes store in place at the area you like it. This is a space-saving storage. The wall mount system can hold up to 6 bikes, optimize space utilization and keeps the floor space free and flexible through the adjustment. The adjustable hooks allows us to customize to different bike types and frame size. And we have a robust construction. It's made from high quality materials. The system promises durability and reliable stability. And as you can see, it's easy to install. Quick and easy installation with included mounting hardware. This is suited for DIY enthusiasts. The only thing is, you have to assemble first, of course, the Mimoke wall brackets, and then you get them into position. You drill 2, 4, 6 holes, and then after this you can install the system as well. And if you install that, you can use the hooks to get the bicycles into position. Tidy and overview. The structured storage solution helps to organize our space and makes our bikes easily accessible, of course. Oh yeah, that's really cool. That's by Mimoke. To maximize our space with this modular 6x wall shelf system specially designed for bike lovers and families. This sturdy and durable rack can hold up to 6 bikes and ensure our bikes are kept safe and protected. The adjustable hooks adapt to the different bicycle sizes and types, from road bikes to mountain bikes, and allows for customization. The slim design not only saves valuable floor space, but also turns our storage room into a tidy and organized display. The installation is really simple, and all necessary fasteners are included so that the bike stand can be used both at home and, of course, in the garage. We keep our bikes in pristine conditions and easily accessibility with the reliable and space-saving storage solution here. The material is steel and plastic. The size is 1604 to 180 to 105 millimeter. The maximum weight capacity is 150 kilogram. The weight capacity bicycle hanger per unit, a hook, is 25 kilogram. Maybe you have an pedelec. If you goes above the 25 kilogram per hook, you can remove the battery from it, and then it should be matches to this Mimoke 6 bicycle wall brackets here. Really easy to install, but a big effective thing for storage at home. That's the Mimoke 6 bicycle wall brackets. This is a wall shaft system, which comes with adjustable hooks for a safe bicycle storage and organized installation for home and garage. It's on the market, as you can see, in a 6 bicycle version, 5 with shelf, for example, and 3 bikes, 2 helmets version. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.